in that moon live. So I want to thank each and every one of you. Your calls, your messages has kept me and my family going during this very difficult period. Now, I did not want to come on here and talk about the autopsy because, like I have always made it known, it is now a judicial case. Lagos State government is now involved. And I didn't want to talk about it initially. But looking back at all the accusations, all the humiliation, all the insults that we received, I said, I owe it to my daughter for the world to know this. I promised you guys I will keep you updated as it goes. And so here I am keeping my own part of the promise. The autopsy result is out. This other was electrocuted. My daughter died of electrocution. I have been subjected to trauma for the past 2 weeks. Tomorrow will make it 3 weeks. My baby died. This school made me think I was crazy. They made me think